Welcome to Branson School Online K through 12. This is my presentation on Branson Online School. Branson's mission is committed to educating children by capitalizing on technology to deliver the K through 12 public education. Branson's strives to make positive difference in the lives of children in an alternative manner that transcends limitations of time and space. It was founded in 2001. I presented a little video on enrollment. It's an enrollment overview. It's a very good video. I think you'll enjoy it. It's not very long. Branson also offers small class sizes, high quality curriculum, experienced Colorado licensed teachers, individual support. They will loan students computers. There's a student reimbursement for internet expenses and educational materials, and students also qualify for a certified diploma. Weekly communications with parents, teachers, communicate on a regular basis, and phase instructions. As you can read here, online middle school team strives to ensure that all middle school students are actively engaged in thriving online learning community. I thought I put this in there because I teach middle school, and I thought it was very important that people understand about the middle school program. I found it very interesting, and it's very descriptive. And it also says that the middle school program provides a structure modeled that allows students and parents the opportunity to organize their school schedule, monitor daily assignments, and reach weekly goals. The parents are online coaches. Moving on to the next. This is also dealing with middle school. These are some of the things that the students will receive: computer assisted instruction, virtual classroom instruction, one-on-one instruction, small group instruction, guidance counseling, special and gifted education, and Colorado certified and highly qualified teachers in their subject area. Experienced middle school teachers. All right, so again, what's some of the things that are offered are the core subjects: pre-algebra 1 and 2, geometry, pre-calculus, integrated math, consumer math, general math, language arts courses, basic grammar, punctuation, and history, all types of history. And 8th grade, it's U.S. geography, history. Now, a lot of these classes that I'm reading here are not offered in my school as a middle school. A lot of these would fall under the high school. So some of the electives with Spanish, piano, leadership, study skills, book publishing, art fundamentals, yearbook, music, meteorology. Again, some of these are not offered in my school, but they're offered in high school. And one thing that's similar to us, they teach Colorado history and we teach Texas history. So I thought that was pretty interesting. All right, moving on to the high school. And again, this would be the same as our high schools, which are 9 through 12. So some of the things that it's the same thing, small group. Now, some of the things that they offer are English, mathematics, science, social studies, physical education, foreign language, career choices, and electives. And you can see that on the side, the credits. Students must have a certain number of credits to move on to the next school year and then to finally graduate. And yes, they do receive a high school diploma, and they're also qualified to go to college. And again, some of the high school courses that are offered: pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry, pre-calculus, trigonometry, statistics, calculus, and consumer math. So a wide-ranging offering of mathematics, language arts courses, English 1, 2, 3, 4, world literature, English literature, short stories, creative, and communications. Social studies, world geography, American history, world history, government, civics, sociology, and economics. Most of these are just standard high school courses. And then if you're interested, you can log on here for a complete online listing of what they offer. This is just an overview. You can see Branson School Online. Students attend our public online school from their homes, and our certified teachers design curriculum that is the Colorado State standards. Branson School Online teachers create their own interactive, engaging curriculum and lessons plans using the following cutting-edge tools. Tactical experiences for online learning, computers instruction, and you can read the list. Branson Online school teachers create their own interactive engaging curriculum and lesson plans following cutting-edge tools. So they do a good job. Support services, and this is very important for your students or our students. We offer the same thing at our level. So Branson Schools Online Student Support Services promote school, family, and community collaboration to help foster students' social development and educational growth. We consistently seek to improve student learning, engage students and families in their respective communities, and promote integration among academic skills and essential life lessons. In order to help our students meaningfully connect with the world in which they live, we strive to integrate the best practices in education, child and youth development, support service to promote healthy learning environments in which every child can succeed. Some of the things that we do are counseling, special education, 504s, child study and assessment, engage and empower families to participate fully in their child's education through initial assessments. The development of personal education plan, a PEP, I think we have a little different with an IEP. Ongoing meaningful teacher-family interaction, collaboration among Branson School Online staff, students, families, community agencies, Colorado districts, and so on. And again, they can go to a dual credit course. And then I conducted an interview with Letha Martinez, the admission BSO registrar, and she just reiterated that Branson was founded in 2001 as an alternative school for parents. Teachers are state certified. Parents are totally involved in the programs. The school is part of a No Child Left Behind. It's a free online alternative school, and parents or students are supplied computers and receive internet reimbursement. So overall, this is my presentation of Branson Online Schools. I hope you enjoy my presentation and find it informative. Thank you.